Going on, y'all? The new year is coming to a close, and unfortunately I haven't been posting as much content as I'd like to. So for that, I put together this little short video of a New Year's car meet that I went to, and I hope y'all enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I can't even feel my motherfucking face. I could jump behind this motherfucker.
Yo, DJ, let me get that beat, baby. Give me that
I
beat.
can't even feel my motherfucking face. I could jump behind this motherfucker. I'ma do the race. My shoes low, having real cheap money coming in a few ways. My mad at me, I ain't talked to her in 2 days. I ain't swag jacking a nigga with starring new ways. Wake up out my sleep and hit the streets, I got a few plays. I got so many glitches, nigga, I been high for 2 days. I'm kicking flavor every time I jump on the damn mic. 7 J's in my MJs, making profit in mics.
Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? Nothing much.
She is not my type. Bitch was getting too excited cause I gave her a light. Free my niggas locked